everyone, welcome to this video of Part 2 Diecast car, toy cars, SUV, trucks, bus and vans and etc. Today we are gonna talk about rainbow colored diecast cars from starting here to here. Okay, let's start from red color to rainbow color. A fire truck and hose. Hard to open it. Has 4 doors and also comes with this sound. There are 4 types of sound, but I can't show it all. I'll show it one. Let me just close the door. Okay, next we have Lexus RS 300. It has doors. Next we have G-Wagon Vento. Just has only one door. Next we have McLaren 720S. Has 2 doors only. Next we have G-Wagon Semester, very big bus but doesn't have doors. Four more left. Next we have Lotus Extreme RS. Has doors. Next we have BMW i8, just like Lamborghini. Next we have Mercedes 300 SL. It's black in color but still has doors. Next, last but not least, we have Mahindra Thor. Rainbow color but still nice. Okay, from red to orange to yellow to green to blue to grey and to black and to rainbow. See everyone on the next video, and also like and subscribe, and Happy New Year everyone.